Job sharing means that classically two people share one job or one position, which can be over like the typical 100% job, but it means that they are working really closely together as a team with one goal and one vision.
Well, job sharing exists since the 80s, and so we thought we have to support the companies and the people so they have easier access to the concept of job sharing. And that's what we did actually with Tandemploy and our software FlexWorks.
More and more people really do that because of course we support them with the realization, and we try to develop like all kinds of software and help so that nobody can say but anymore, because it's so easy to do it.
It's actually really nice, the response what we get from the companies right now, because every single company out there must to be more flexible in the future. I mean, that's what digitalization brings with it. So that's for us a really chance right now, because they see that they need support for that, and we develop software to help companies within their structures to get more agile and flexible. Probably not. Probably 9 to 5 doesn't exist in 10 years anymore, because what we of course hope is that we finally work less and achieve more, because that's what we see. We can't be productive 8 hours a day, and we have to work less in the end. It's just more efficient, and I think that's the future, and that's what it's all about. Our digitalization and everything we do around it should support us in the end to have more time, because that's the most precious thing we have in life.
I think for people it's really clear. They have more time for families, friends, whatever, but nevertheless can stay in their qualified job. For companies, that's like a win-win situation, because they get a super tandem. So it's a tandem with double the ideas, experience, like qualifications, which is really attractive. And they have like the perfect fill-in in cases of illness or vacation. So they really save a lot of money with this concept. It's not so difficult to convince companies about that, because we can really give them a business case. We can really show them with exact figures and numbers that it saves them a lot of money. And this, of course, is always a good a good point. Yeah. More and more big companies really like our idea, and they are already using it. So huge companies like RWE or Bayersdorf, they're using our internal software to offer all their employees, which is really, really cool, to organize flexible working models by themselves, all kind of flexible working models. So we have a huge impact there, which is really, really nice to see.
Well, I really like the atmosphere here. I like the people we met, we talked to today. It was really great. We had great conversations. It was cool to be with the people, and I've heard that the food is really delicious. That's why we now have to check that out probably at the end of the day.